Put that in there. Swallow it! Swallow it, motherfucker!
Alright, I can do that.
Look at the smoke coming out of his mouth.
Swallow it, dude.
I can do that.
I got one more thing for you, man. You like chili, right?
Dude, do not puke on the fucking floor.
Open your mouth, dude. Open up. Yo, open up, man. Open your mouth, dude. Yo, it's chili, dude. It's chili powder.
Open your mouth, though, and make it go down quicker.
You like chili, right? Yo, hold still. Eat this, man. It's chili. Yo, it's chili.
Yo, if you're gonna puke in the sink.
Oh, I swallowed it.
Come here, man.
Oh!
No! It's just chili peppers, man. Hey, want some more? Open your mouth, man. Open it. There you go.